In every moment, my love will be tempted, concealed and forever always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when we're
Okay, hi everyone. So for today's video, I will be doing a full face using Teviant. So this is our first one. This is their Ultimate Skin Master Foundation in the shade Frost. So, eto guys. Oh, so lumabas agad yung product niya. Hopefully tama guys yung shade ko. Because most of the time guys, uy, correct. I think tama naman yung shade ko guys. Uy, puti ata ni ante ko. Parang puti nga. Ayan guys. So, hopefully tama guys yung shade ko kasi most of the time ay nag-oxidize yung ibang mga nabibili kong napansin ko yung guys yung nag-gray yung noo ko. Kaya sabi ko ay nag-oxidize yung makeup sa akin. Tsaka yung foundation, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko kailangan lighter shade yung makukuha ko para pag nag-oxidize siya, hindi siya ganun na malayo na sa shade ng mukha ko. Ayan. Ayun ganda guys. Sad lang kasi nung gagawin ko na yung look na to guys, hindi ko pala nakita guys yung lipstick ko ng Teviant. Kaya wala tayong available na lipstick ng Teviant. Alam niyo ba guys, yung ginamit ko lipstick ng kasal ko ay yung lipstick ng Teviant. I usually do this just to blend everything sa face ko. And then I'll be using my super ROI na eyebrows nila. This is Teviant in the shade Highness. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang gamit na siya. Talagang pang-retired na siya, guys. Pero, syempre hindi siya magre-retired kasi nagagamit pa siya. So, gamitin ko yung salamin nito. Tingnan nyo guys, may salamin to. Oh. Diba? Ang cute. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga eyebrow product na nilalabas sa market ay may salamin. Kaya sobrang tuntua ako dito kasi meron siyang kasamang salamin na talagang alam mo ang laki yung size ng salamin. And as you all know, lagi akong nagkikilay ng sabay. And life update nga pala guys. Today is Friday. And ipupush ko talaga guys na mayari yung vlog na to. Cause I love editing videos. Oops, what's that? Especially kapag may time guys. Gusto ko nag-edit ng mga videos. Ayan, so nalikilay natin. Ito. Ano ba yung noo ko? Ay, noo yung itong part lang ito. Ay, nalagyan ko guys nung Ayan. Ay, yung ganda guys. Tingnan nyo. Alam mo yung light lang siya. And then next natin guys ay ang blush nila na nakapot in the shade Bonbon. Cute! Tapos when you open, nakasealed pa siyang ganyan. Meron siyang takip. Then once you open, ayun na siya guys. And then I'll be using my brush from Real Techniques. Ito siya guys. Stop lang natin ng konti. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Uy, ante, napaka-pigment niya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, i-dispense muna natin para hindi tayo maging ayan, para light lang yung atake natin. Ayan guys. Kaya hindi ko mabuo yung look ko ngayon ng Tevian kasi hindi ko makita yung lipstick ko. Yung lipstick na yun guys, yun yung ginamit ko nung kasal. Diba tagal na. Alam ko wala na yun sa market ngayon. Nung Tevian. Ang ganda ng packaging nun eh. Forgot yung itsura niya. Pero alam ko may lipstick talaga ako ng Tevian kasi yun nga guys yung ginamit ko nung kasal. Oh my gosh. Little goes a long way. Okay, diba? Ay, oh my God, Gia. Gagawa mo. Baka ka ng pang-Halloween. Tama na nga. Na-addict ako sa blush. Tingnan mo. Okay, kailangan mabot. Pero ang galing kasi tingnan mo, blendable naman siya. And then, after nyo guys, pantay ba? Charot. Okay. So, next natin ay itong Tevian na bilog nila. This is their Deity Battle Trio Face Palette in the shade Glam Queen. So, once you open, guys, meron siyang cover na ganito, which is yung Tevian. Tapos, ito siya. 3 color siya, guys. So, first natin gamitin ay ang itong color pink. So, dab lang natin ng konti. Uy, ang cute niya. Tap lang natin sa ibabaw ng blush natin dito. Ayan. Uy, ang flawless lalo ng face ko sa base ng Tevian. Tapos, guys, meron siyang pang contour. Alam niyo, guys, hindi ako nag-contour, pero try natin mag-contour. Why not, diba? So, gamitin natin itong pang-contour ng Happy Skin. So, try natin yan. Ay, kalabaw. So, try natin to guys. Sabi nila dito doon na contour. Tsaka sa jaw. Diba ngayon ka pa nag-practice mag-contour kung kailang date ka na, girl? Oh! Ayan guys, wala tayo na. Oh, wait guys, parang nagka... I-blend natin siya na maayos guys. Oh, diba? Tapos dito nagkukontour. Antekoy sa mga forehead. Para warm ang face. Diba? Charot. Ayan. Tapos again tayo sa gilid ng nose. Konting shadow lang guys. Ayan. Iparahin na natin ilong natin ng contour. Ayan. And then, ayan siya guys. Next natin, I'll be putting my lipstick. So, I'll be using the eto guys. Itong Dior. So, mag-Dior muna tayo. Diba, pak? Dior muna tayo for today, guys. And then, this is our main event, by the way. So, I'll be using their pang spray. This is their Lock Kinemberlu Lock Grip. So, next natin ay spray lang. So, pikit tayo, guys. So, this is our look. Diba? Fresh lang atake niya. Look at that. The base is basing. But, oh, ang bango na yan, in fairness. So, we're good to go kasi late na tayo, guys. Arat na. This is my look. Ayan, guys. Okay, guys. So, let's go na. Tayo ay late na. Oh. Kita mo yan? Ang ganda. Alam mo yung fresh lang. Diba? Ang ganda, guys, ng base ko. And then, we need to go because we're late. So, Then again, everything is in Tavion except the lips. Diba? So, let's go na guys. And then, I'll update you. Kasi guys, may bagyo na malakas. Alam nyo yun. So, kailangan natin mag-prepare. Why we need to be ready. Okay guys, let's go na. Okay, hi everyone guys. So, it's already uwian na guys. At kabit ko muna kayo dito. Ipe-prepare ko lang guys yung mga iuwi kong gamit. Kasi guys, malakas yung bagyo. So, kailangan ma-secure natin yung mga important documents na pinanghahawakan natin dito sa school. Especially yung mga record guys, yung mga bata kagaya nito. This is their forms. Tsaka yung mga attendance ganyan, yung mga records ng mga bata. So, we have to bring that home para secure, di ba? Kasi medyo guys, malakas yung bagyo. So, yan, apura tayo. And after this, meron pa kaming online seminar and orientation. Uwi ko din guys yung isang kahon na bond paper. And that's it. Update ko kayo mamaya and bye for now. No, it's okay. Amo na.
Macaronis. Macarons.
Okay.
Why are you not playing?
I'm gonna play.
See, that's how you cook macaroni. Right here. And then we're gonna put it back. See? And that's
Ouch, my ears.
this is just my cubby.
How about you show me your ice cream? I want to order some ice cream. Okay.
But oh yeah, it's close.
Ne, can you give me some ice cream?
Okay, just one bite.
Okay.
How
Come on.
about popcorn? How about this ice?
I want the chocolate ice cream, not that one.
But it's chocolate.
Not that one, I don't like it. That one, my love. Go. Use this one, use this one.
This?
Yeah.
And then is it this or this?
Eh, ayoko na nga.
Chocolate ice cream with peanut.
Thank you. Here's my ice cream. I'm done. Then,
Oh no. That's my up. And this is the double down.
the double down.